Hi, welcome to the channel once again. My name is always Frank, and today we are unboxing and reviewing the Samsung Odyssey OLED G8 34 inches monitor. It is actually the smallest, the thinnest and the sleekest looking QD-OLED yet. Before we dive into it, if you're on the market for IT hardware and consumer electronics, soundbars, monitors, laptops, smartphones, and all PC components, esupply.co.uk has the best deals out there with a price match promise, free shipping and returns, and rated excellent on the market. Let's jump straight into the review. First, we'll do the unboxing of the unit and then a full setup for some gaming experience. So let's open it up. We are greeted with paperwork from Samsung as usual. Right in the box, we've got the stand, which has a very good steady build to it. Next, we have the rectangular base to attach to it, and then a Versa bracket to go with it should you choose to mount it on the wall. Next is the bulky power base and the power lead to attach to it. And then also Samsung has provided a remote control which comes with this monitor. The Samsung Odyssey OLED G8 makes a grand entrance with its sleek artistic design and top-notch build quality. Here is what you need to know. The panel is integrated nicely into the front with a small bottom bezel strip, and the stand, which uses a combination of plastic and metal, looks great, is very steady and does not take a ton of deck space. You get 4K resolution with this monitor, that is 3840 by 2160 pixels, providing crisp and clear images at 175Hz refresh rate. The Samsung Odyssey OLED G8 34 inches is on the market for $1,199, but I've got a deal for you. If you head over right now to esupply.co.uk, you can actually grab this monitor for as low as £840. esupply.co.uk. Thank you. The stand of the G8 has only height and tilt support with no swivel adjustment. Although Versa mounting is supported should you want to go on the wall. For some reason, rather than using standard full-size ports that we have become accustomed to across many monitors, Samsung has opted for mini versions. So this monitor includes one mini display port and one micro HDMI port, plus two USB-C ports, one of which can also act as a display input. The HDMI port is 2.1, which is actually good to see. For most people, this will actually not be a big deal. If you're gaming on a PC, you will just need to use the included 1.5 meter long mini display port to full-size display port cable and plug it straight into your GPU. An interesting and unique aspect of this monitor is that it features a full smart functionality similar to a smart TV. Unlike the vast majority of gaming monitors that act just as displays with input, the OLED G8 is internet connected and can run various apps like Netflix, YouTube, Disney+, and support other features enabled by the chip's processing capacity. A key selling point in getting an OLED display is for its HDR performance, which is leagues ahead of majority of LCD monitors which advertises HDR performance and functionalities. Like other QD-OLEDs, its big strength lies with motion performance and HDR. At 175Hz and with a response time in the 0.3 ms range, this is actually a fast, clear display for gaming. The speed on offer is actually equivalent to 240Hz on LCD, proving once again that OLEDs are a better technology on the market today for motion. The Samsung Odyssey OLED G8 is not the fastest OLED on the market, but I believe most people will be delighted with how the OLED G8 games and performs. Another feature worth mentioning is the 5-watt dual speakers included on the G8, which allows for a straight out of the box sound. Depending on what you're after, a number of these features may be worth paying the extra for. And personally, the accuracy, firmware update, and no fan noise makes this monitor highly appealing. So for color accuracy, overall image quality, and better gaming performance, the Samsung Odyssey OLED G8 stands tall. The G8 provides a 1000R curvature which wraps around your field of view, immersing you into the game you're playing. The main screen of this monitor has got a glassy finish, which impressively doesn't attract reflections. Samsung has also placed into the G8 the Core Sync and the Core Lightning Plus feature. This feature allows the colors of the on-screen game that you are playing to be projected into your real world to further immerse you into the setting. Don't forget you can get this monitor at a discounted price of £840 from £1,199. Head over to esupply.co.uk to get yours. Thank you for joining me on this one. My name is always Frank, and it's been a pleasure. See you on the next one.